Warning, listening to this podcast may result in chronic ambition and some wins. This If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. What's up, winners? Today I'm giving you 5 ways to make money while you sleep. That quote is from Warren Buffett, the most successful investor of the 20th century. Number 1, the stock market. One way to make money while you sleep is by investing in the stock market. By investing in the stock market, you can earn money through dividends and capital appreciation. For example, if you purchase a stock for $100 and its price goes up to $120, you can sell it for a profit of $20. My favorites are dividend ETFs. These are one of the simplest ways for you to create passive income. Public companies that generate profits, a portion of those earnings are given back to you in the form of dividends. Number 2, rental property. Another way to make money while you sleep is by renting out a property. The rental income can help you earn passive income. For example, if you own a property and rent it out for $1,000 per month, you can earn $12,000 a year without doing any work. Owning properties and collecting rent is one of my favorite streams of income. If you're not a homeowner or don't have another property, you can always rent out a spare bedroom. Number 3, digital products. No one can take your knowledge away from you. Some of you winners out there are subject matter experts or the go-to person for when your friends need some guidance. You can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Once you create the course, it can generate passive income for you while you sleep. For example, if you create a course on flipping real estate and sell it for $50, you can earn money every time someone purchases your course. I really like the idea of creating something once and selling it over and over again. You can do this with ebooks or stock images or templates. The possibilities are plenty. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Promoting products or services through affiliate marketing can earn you commissions while you sleep. You can promote your affiliate marketing links on your social media or even provide your own Amazon affiliate link when your friend compliments you on your new house decor and asks where you got it. This option is available to almost everybody. Number 5, a mobile app. Developing and launching a mobile application can generate passive income through in-app purchases, advertisements, or subscriptions. Once the app is developed, it can continue to earn money for you while you sleep. If you have a little capital but don't know where to start, check out a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr. And that's it for this episode, winners. 5 ways to make money while you sleep. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate the support. Stay winning. This show is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. It's not intended as personal.